Okay, so here would be the second video. There's really no way to make this like a step-by-step instructional video. You have to follow those instructions, which aren't worth the crap. So you can see, come here and hold this. Okay, so the top one, see that black one is a new lever that comes with it, and you can see that it just controls that switch. Then you're going to use your original one, which just kind of does that number. Okay, and then that would have been fine. So these two, basically your very first step, they're going to have you drill a hole in this. It's up to you if you want to do that. You could really skip that step, and then what's going to happen is your left knob right here just won't do anything. But since you drill a hole in them, watch out, where you drill the hole right there, all it does is combine these two together. So it makes them one unit. And what they do is they control that switch right there. So again, your first step is going to be to drill that hole. Up to you. You could skip it, and then your left front knob here just wouldn't do nothing. You can see that top piece is the new piece they tell you to put on. And all it does is just slide in there. The other ones all are put in with one of those little crush locking nut things, locking pin. Yeah, I mean, you can look at this picture and see, but it's not very fun, and the instructions are definitely lacking. So now we'll just have to put the next page in. Start wrapping up. So just as a recap, there's the outside nozzles. So self-explanatory. 2 will be water, 2 will be the AC. On your instructions, again, they're going to start off with you wanting to drill a hole in the 2 levers. And again, all that's for is for you to basically connect those 2 together. So he's going to have you drill a hole, because basically your 2 levers in the front here are just combined now as one. So these 2 are connected. Yeah, there's no way for me to hardly get around it with the ladder in the way. So back there, see, these are just connected now. Again, you could skip that part, and just, this one wouldn't work anymore and this one would. And then of course, here's your top 2. And all the parts just slide in the back there. And so now it's all electronic. So when you turn it, there you go, you can see it right there. See, it just pulls that out. Just gonna engage it. Turn it off and on. Or open and close, whichever you want to say. And then just run the wire back there and connects to the top of the box. And then we've found our heater wire and all that will plug into the blower motor to make hot. So now we're ready just to finish up some of the wiring on it, and then take it down and get it recharged and running. So again, the instructions are, like every review says, they're a little tough, but you can do it. I mean, I'm not no genius, and I sat there today and figured it out. There's a couple tabs in the bottom here that the factory screws screw into. Take them off like it says. You can't get this control in there with them in the way. You'll also have to take your ashtray. The ashtray out is one thing, but you're also going to have to take out like the tray that it sits in down there, because when you stick them up in here, the plastic right there has to bend in there some. So again, yeah, I don't know if that really saves you any time other than not screwing those first 2 holes, but it is what it is. Like I said, when it's done, it's done. I mean, there's no point in paying, I don't remember what the radiator place said, it'd be like $4,500, $5,000 to install AC, something crazy. Which, I mean, we still got a little bit of money still to do. We're gonna get a new radiator, and we'll have the condenser there, and then The dryer, evaporator, we'll put it somewhere. But we'll connect all that up, or we'll have it sitting here to be connected up before we go to the radiator, Max radiator downtown, and have them hook the air up. So yeah, it's coming together. Still, hopefully, well, I know we'll make the track for it to get painted.